Good afternoon, everybody, and it is Sunday. Sorry, shoveling marshmallows into your mouth, into your face hole. Just a quick nip out, really, just to pick up the flea treatment for the dogs and a bit of dog shampoo. So we will endeavour to wash the dogs with me at home. I'm going to film it because it could be fun.
I'll film it and you do it.
Okay, this could be fun. I think you would might try and blow dry Fizz afterwards, so she gets all fluffy. Could be fun. Could be fun. Anyway, stay tuned.
Well done, Elle. Stay.
Drink it.
Good girl.
Oh. What's going on here?
She quite likes it.
Oh.
Good girl. No, Stella. No, stay.
So I've got a feeling I better go and cook some dinner. I think chili cheese fries tonight. Who knows? So as we're ending the night tonight, it's the Fortnite launch event, and it just makes me laugh because my son is just absolutely crazy about Fortnite, and he's panicking. So we're having to watch on the telly this screen, and he's just, oh my goodness, it's just driving me insane. So oh yeah, I've just come over here and I'll show me it. So I've just found a little Easter egg. And if you're watching the black hole, you can play this game, and you can do it too by pressing up, down, left, right, BA, enter, and that will take you into the Easter egg on the loading screen. Nightmare. Anyway, so what they do with computer games. So, with that being said, tomorrow is another day.